Hi everyone, welcome back to Logic Stud. In this quick lab, I will show you how to sign up for a Snowflake free trial account step by step. Exactly what to fill in each field so you can start learning Snowflake hands-on right away. First, open your browser and just search Snowflake free trial account. Click the first website. Now we are on the sign up form. Let's fill in the details one by one. First name, work email. Why are you signing up for Snowflake? In this field, select learning or training, self-study if you're using it for practice. After filling these three fields, click on next at the bottom of the form. On the next page, you will enter your company or organization details. Company name, if you're a student or practicing, type self-learning, personal project or freelancer. Job title, enter data engineer, student or learner. Anything that fits your role. Once you have filled that, scroll down to the cloud provider section. Here you will choose your cloud provider and region where your Snowflake account will be hosted. Cloud provider, choose AWS. It's the most commonly used and beginner friendly. Region, pick one close to your location. After choosing your provider and region, click on the continue button. Now Snowflake will send you an activation email to the address you entered. So open your inbox and look for an email with the subject Activate your Snowflake account. Click on the Activate or set your password link inside the mail. Now you will be redirected to the account setup page. Here, enter a username and a strong password. A password should have uppercase, lowercase, a number, and a special symbol. Click Sign in or Finish Setup to complete your sign up. Once setup is complete, our Snowflake will take you to the login page automatically. Welcome to your Snowflake Web Interface. Once you log into your Snowflake free trial account, you will learn on the main workspace. On the left hand side, you can see the navigation panel. This is where you will do most of your work in Snowflake. Under Work with Data, you have projects to organize your data workflows, ingestion to load data from different sources, transformation to clean and prepare your data, AI and ML to build machine learning models, monitoring to track performance and query actively, and marketplace to explore and use public data sets. Then under Horizon Catalog, you will see catalog your central data inventory, data sharing for securely sharing data with others, and governance and security to manage permissions and compliance. Finally, under Manage, you will find Compute to manage your virtual warehouses, and Admin where you control users, roles, and account settings. This is your complete Snowflake workspace. From here, you can ingest, transform, analyze, and share data seamlessly. Click on Worksheets to start running SQL queries. You will now have a 30-day free trial with $400 worth of credits. You can create warehouses, databases, and run queries without any cost during this period. And that's it. You have successfully created and logged into your Snowflake free trial account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Logic Stud for more Snowflake and data engineering content.